I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here for the Living the Outdoor Life collaboration. Today, my husband Alan and I are going to be working in our yard and getting everything cleaned up. We're hosting a barbecue tonight, and we want to have everything clean and ready so that we can all enjoy the outdoor space. This collaboration is hosted by Design with Emma and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Co-hosts are Home by Design with Marilyn, Barbie Daily Rural Life in the Valley, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Jean Home Decor and More, and me, Jennifer at Home. These channels and all participating channels will be listed below. Be sure to check them out and don't forget to like and subscribe. Join us for some outdoor cleaning motivation. We are so happy to have all of this work behind us. Everything is clean and ready. And now it's time to get inside and get our food to put on the barbecue grill. I'm so happy you are here. I appreciate it so much. And be sure to check out all of the other channels listed below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.